Start by logging into the defective unit. Start on the SVP login screen and enter your username and password. The login process is the same for all the processes. Once you are logged into the box, you will see the Hitachi Device Manager screen. Navigate to the Maintenance tab. Then, click on Maintenance Components from the drop-down menu. This opens up the application through Java. Click Open. This opens the SVP. From the SVP, select the Maintenance Utility button. The Maintenance Utility Progress screen will show the action in progress. This screen will remain in view until the progress is finished. It now loads the maintenance utility. If a piece of hardware has failed, this will show a yellow warning or a red error. If it shows green, all hardware is working properly. For this demonstration, we will replace an existing hard drive. Click on the plus sign next to all chassis to see the available drives. Click on the hard drive that needs to be replaced. In this example, you are selecting DKU 00006 and 007. When you open up DKU 00006 and 007, you will see two drives installed on this shelf listed. You also see a visible representation of the front and back of that drive shelf, as well as the location of the two drives. On the left side is drive 006, and on the right side is drive 007. For this example, you will replace drive 006. Select the line for that drive to be replaced. You will see a checkmark now next to that drive number. It's important to note you do not want to click the Remove button, as Remove uninstalls the drive completely. Block only blocks that drive so you can do the replacement. Click the Block button. This pop-up window confirms that you have blocked this drive. Leave the checkboxes empty. Click the Block button on the pop-up window. You now see the Maintenance Utility Progress pop-up window. When completed, you see a confirmation pop-up window that the drive has been blocked. Click the Close button to close the confirmation window. The status of drive 006 has now changed from normal status to the blocked status with the red triangle. You now go and physically replace the drive. Put on the anti-static wrist strap. Ground the wrist strap to the metal on the rack. See the component with the light now red. The drive is now blocked. Remove the blocked drive by lifting up on the blue tab and pulling forward. Remove the defective drive. Give it about 45 seconds to refresh. Insert the new drive in the vacant spot. Push the front of the drive in and latch the part with the light blue tab until it clicks. The lights will begin to flash green. A fast blinking means the drive is now copying back from the other drives. The blinking speed will vary as the data is being copied. Solid green means it is up and running again. After physically removing the defective drive and replacing it with a new replacement drive, the system will automatically detect the replacement drive. This may take a bit of time. To see the updated screen, click the Refresh button at the upper right corner of the screen. You now see that the data is now being copied to the replaced drive from its RAID group. It shows the percent of data copied as its progress. Note that the rest of the array now shows a yellow status as the copying continues. You see that there are 2 drives per shelf, or 1 drive per drive box, being copied over to replace the information that was retrieved from hard drive 006. To see the percent copied change, click the Refresh button again, as the display does not update real-time. The status for all the drives in the array is now showing as normal. Drive 006 is showing the pertinent data, so the replacement was successful. You can now log out of the maintenance utility by clicking the Log Out button at the top right corner of the screen. Then close the browser window. In the SVP window, click the Execute drop-down window and select Exit. Hitachi Device Manager is now updating the initial login screen. The screen is refreshed. Click the top line next to the server number, and then select Disconnect from the drop-down menu to disconnect from that machine. This concludes the process for replacing a hard drive on a VSP 5000 series unit.